everyone. We are from Group 4 International Law Class A, who will provide responses regarding whether the maximum age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidates can be used as ius cogens or not to resolve international legal issues. Before entering the discussions, we will introduce the name of our group first. My name is Saskia Nabila Miranda.
My name is Daniel Julius Caesar.
My name is Zaula Gusti Kurnia.
My name is Amalia Nurul Ramadana.
My name is Sefa Gelombang Darnadin.
Okay. The issues of minimum and maximum age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidates in Indonesia has become controversial ahead of the 2024 general elections. Ahead of the 2024 general elections, a number of parties are challenging these regulations at the Constitutional Court. Previously, Article 169, letter Q in Law Number 7 of 2017 stipulates that the requirements to become a presidential and vice presidential candidate are at least 40 years of age.
The lawsuit was later partially granted by the Constitutional Court in decision number 90 PUU 20 and 23. The Constitutional Court stated that Article 169 letter Q of Law number 7 of 20 and 17 regarding the minimum age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidates was changed to be at least 40 years old or are currently holding position elected through general election, including regional head election. In the lawsuit regarding the maximum age limit for presidential and vice presidential nomination, the Constitutional Court decided to reject the lawsuit regarding the maximum age limit for presidential candidates being 70 years old. This rule is contained in Law Number 7 of 20 and 17 concerning general election. The case was registered under number 102 PUU 20 and 23 announcement of decision. The judge once stating that the petitioner petition as far as reviewing the norm of Article 169 letter Q of Law 7 and 20 and 17 cannot be accepted, said Chief Justice of the Constitutional Court Anwar Usman. Quote Monday, October 23, 22 and 23, the Constitutional Court considered that the application for Article 169 letter K of UU 7, 20 and 17 and 169 letter D of UU 7, 20 and 17 had lost its object to reject the petitioner's petition for other than that.
There is no age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidates, the same as the set by Malaysia and the United States. This constitutional court decision is important for our politics. Some politicians remain served into their 70s and 80s, but there must be exception. We need to see and pay attention to the norms. For the reason, there are at least two things that need to be covered. First, let go of the issue of age discrimination. Look at what is in the national interest. Who is suitable and fit to lead? Second, hold a dialogue. Some people suggest 70 years as the upper limit. Others say 50 or 60 years. The essence of democracy is to find a middle ground.
The leaders' health must be checked carefully so that serious problems do not arise in the future. Don't let a leader fall ill after 2 years of leadership. This will really disturb the government, he said. Ius cogens is a concept in international law that refers to legal norms that are considered fundamental principles that cannot be violated by states. The general opinion regarding ius cogens is that these norms have very high legal force and binding on all countries without exception. They include principles such as prohibition against slavery, serious international crimes such as genocide, and the prohibition on the use of military force in violation of international law. It is important to remember that ius cogens is a complex concept and its interpretation may change over time in accordance with the development of international legal norms and international courts. However, in general, ius cogens is considered a strong international legal foundation for maintaining the principle of human rights and world peace.
It turns out that there are conditions for legal rule to be started as ius cogens. These conditions include: 1. Double consent requirement, and 2nd, universality requirement. This requirement is manifested in Article 53 of the 1969 and 1986 Vienna Convention. In article in general, it is said that a legal rule can be considered ius cogens if the legal rule has been approved by countries as a general and coercive rule of international law. Then the rule must be recognized and accepted by the people of the country as a whole or universally by all countries without exception. In the context of international law, wherever the maximum age limit for a country leader when registering to be a presidential candidate and vice presidential candidate can be used as ius cogens or not, so that it can be used as a solution to resolve problem in international law. Yes, this can be used as ius cogens as long as the legal rule is approved by the state as a rule of international law and must be universally recognized and accepted by the people of the state.
Okay, that's all the responses from our group. Thank you.
Bye.
Hello, may I introduce myself? I'm Saskia from Faculty of Law, Universitas 17 Agustus 1945, Surabaya. Today, I will ask for your responses, but first, may I know your name?
Yes, my name is Sophie.
Okay, your name is Sophie. Yeah, Sophie, I will ask for opinions about ius cogens, but before that, did you know about ius cogens or what is ius cogens?
No, I don't know. Can you tell me what it is?
You don't know about ius cogens, okay. Basically, ius cogens is a basic principle of international law recognized by international community as norm that must not be violated under any circumstance. Okay. But in short, ius cogens is a norm that must not be violated. Okay. Now, I will ask you the question.
Okay.
So, in Indonesia, right now, currently approaching the 2024 elections, there are a lot of polemics regarding the age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidacy. Do you agree if international legal rules or ius cogens are made that regulate the age limit for presidential and vice presidential candidacy, where countries must recognize this legal rule? Definitely comply with it so that it can resolve international legal problems.
In my opinion, this age limit can be used as ius cogens for international legal settlements, as long as it does not violate established regulation. However, it seems that you don't have to apply this to become ius cogens. because the state must have its own regulation. So they should be the ones who makes the regulation for themselves.
Okay, so you agree that the ISKA guns can be used for that rules can be used for ISKA guns, but you disagree that the rules has to be
Apply for
applied for
another country. Yes,
Apply for-
in between that.
you're in that. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your response, Sophie.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes.
Okay.